The future is coming and the era of robots is upon us. With these words, Elon Musk finally presented his robotic Cybercab and Robovan in the US, as well as an update to his robot Optimus. Meanwhile, Chinese companies are challenging Musk by unveiling 3 humanoid robots identical to Optimus. Engineers at MIT have introduced a revolutionary robotic table with integrated artificial intelligence. These and other high-tech news are all in one video. The long-awaited presentation of Tesla's Cybercab finally took place in the US, with the theme, "The future is coming, and the era of robots is upon us." During the event, Elon Musk announced that the 2-seater self-driving taxi, known as Cybercab, is set to enter production within just 3 years. It may sound like science fiction, but this new Tesla is an autonomous vehicle with no steering wheel or pedals. The electric vehicle has a futuristic design, featuring butterfly wing doors and a small cabin with enough room for only 2 passengers. The Cybercab charges wirelessly through inductive charging. Full autonomous driving will be provided in California and Texas as soon as next year, according to Musk. Cybercab is expected to go into production in either 2026 or 2027, with an eventual price of around $30,000. Musk believes autonomous vehicles are the future, emphasizing that such vehicles will be 10 to 20 times safer than human-driven ones. Additionally, self-driving cars offer a way to save time. "Think about the collective time people spend in cars," said Musk, "and the time they'll get back, which they can spend reading, watching a movie, working, or anything else." Tesla also showcased Robovan, designed to autonomously transport groups of up to 20 people. Like Cybercab, the van has no pedals or steering wheel, just seating for passengers. At the Cybercab event unveiling the new Tesla Robovan, Elon Musk also showcased his Optimus robots performing daily human tasks, as reported on Tesla's social media on X. "Optimus will be walking among you, you can walk right up to them, and they'll serve you drinks," Musk told the event attendees. According to Tesla's founder, these robots can perform various basic human tasks, such as walking dogs, caring for children, mowing lawns, serving drinks, and more. After the presentation, a live demonstration showed people interacting with the Optimus robots at tables and among crowds. However, the robots mostly waved, poured drinks, and danced, leading some guests to speculate that they might be remotely controlled by humans. In the summer of 2024, Musk expressed full confidence in the success of the Optimus program, which aims to scale up the production of robotic humanoids. According to his predictions, over 1,000 Optimus units should be operating in Tesla's factories by next year. Musk envisions Tesla Optimus robots in every household, taking on various roles in manufacturing and service sectors. For this to happen, the robots need to be affordable. He previously suggested that the cost could be lower than that of Tesla's cars, and recently shared that they might even be priced at less than half the cost of a Tesla vehicle. "The complexity per unit mass for humanoid robots is much higher, but I still believe they will eventually cost less than half a car," the billionaire stated at the event. Now it will be interesting to see how China, this year's undisputed leader in humanoid robot production, will respond to this presentation. Let's move over to China. Recently, Chinese companies introduced an entire lineup of next-generation robotic humanoids. Zhuan Robotics Company, founded by former Huawei employee Peng Jihui, showcased 5 new commercial humanoid robot models at the 2024 Zhuan Expedition Commercial Sailing Product Launch Conference. The 3 most interesting models from this series stood out among them. The first robot is the Expedition A2, an interactive service robot designed for customer engagement in showrooms, at reception desks, and for business consultations. Standing at 169 centimeters tall and weighing 69 kilograms, it features over 40 degrees of freedom for natural movement and utilizes a large language model for voice interaction and multimodal information processing. It can carry up to 1 kilogram, walk at a speed of 1 meter per second, and operate autonomously for up to 2 hours. The robot can also be used in industrial settings for precise task execution on production lines, in logistics for transporting and sorting goods, and in household environments to perform everyday tasks, such as cleaning and caring for the elderly. Another highly interesting example at the conference was the Expedition A2W. This flexible manufacturing robot is designed to perform tasks such as gripping, placing, and moving objects in industrial settings. Its bionic construction, with 2 arms each having 7 degrees of freedom, allows it to work with high precision, making it suitable for complex manufacturing tasks. The A2W incorporates advanced multimodal sensory perception technologies, enhancing the sensitivity and accuracy of its actions. Arguably the most memorable moment at the conference was the appearance of the new humanoid robot Lynxy X1, which was rolled onto the stage by another robot, the Expedition A2W. Lynxy X1 is an open-source robot created in collaboration with G1X Laboratory. Weighing 33 kilograms, X1 is lightweight yet capable, with each arm supporting up to 3 kilograms. Standing at 130 centimeters tall, the Lynxy X1 robot is equipped with advanced technology, including a new joint module called PowerFlow, which enhances energy efficiency and movement accuracy. Additionally, it features advanced perception capabilities thanks to the integration of RGBD cameras, LiDAR, panoramic cameras, and custom SLAM algorithms developed by Agibot Company. Let's move on to other tech world news. Engineers from MIT have unveiled the smart table called Transform. It consists of 3 dynamic surfaces with thousands of servos, controlled by a computer that monitors the environment using sensors. When you wave a hand over the Transform, small surface elements come to life. The device can roll a ball along a complex path on its surface or mimic a wave. Although the primary function of this prototype, according to its creators, is to impress viewers with its unique transformations and the aesthetics of a complex machine in motion, they plan to apply these concepts to smart furniture in the future. They are currently working on enabling the servos to move in 2 planes. While for now, this device is more of a high-tech interior decoration, the day isn't far off when you can walk into a living room, make a simple hand gesture, and watch as a chair and table smoothly transform into a bed and bedside table. Korean engineers from Samsung have introduced the perfect transport solution to transform the lives of students and anyone working on a laptop. Workn is a scooter with a built-in folding desk. The gadget's name is a play on the words work plus picnic, which literally reflects the idea of working outdoors. It looks like a futuristic minimalist gray electric scooter. You sit on it with your feet positioned on footrests at the base. Once the user finds a quiet, comfortable spot, they can deploy the kickstand and activate wheel locks. One side unfolds into a work desk, and the other into a small stool. Workn's handlebars feature 2 outlets, useful for charging a laptop or smartphone. Based on the renders, the scooter includes a built-in 120 ampere-hours battery. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.